Everyone welcomes to my channel Meet the Neat and classes about B Pharmacy. Before going into the topic, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell and thumbs up button as we go into the topic. Topic 1: Historical background. Objectives: to know about the historical and development of pharmacy professions in India in relation to pharmacy education. Definition: Pharmacy, Greek word of pharmacy, is called pharmako. Pharmako means drug or medicine. Pharmacy is defined as the profession which is concerned with the art and science of identification, selection, preparation, preservation and standardization of suitable drug substances from natural and synthetic sources and their formulations which are meant for administration for diagnosis, prevention and treatment of diseases. Therefore, a pharmacist is a medicine or drug man. While the classes of professionals legally permitted to prescribe medications are physicians, dentists, veterinary doctors and senior registered nurses, pharmacists are required by law to be experts in the preparation, preservation, distribution, and handling of drugs. A health profession that links the health sciences with the chemical sciences, and it is charged with responsibility, which ensures the safe and effective use of medication. Henceforth, a pharmacist is the right person to look all these aspects because he is educated and trained for this job. They are experts on medication. Prehistoric medicine links to spirit world. The history of pharmacy is a recognized part of medical practice dating as far back as Summer times, around 2000 to 1500 BC. It means BC before Christ, in which had list of animal, vegetable and mineral origin that were used in the management of diseases and prescriptions with details of the ingredients used in their compounding. Chinese, 2000 BC. The Chinese believed that diseases resulted from the imbalance in forces acting on humans and animals, thus produced herbal drugs with spiritual effects. They were credited to be first users of podophyllum, rhubarb, ginseng, cinnamon, etc. The text Huangdi Neijing listed the basic principles of pharmaceutical drugs in the 3rd century BC. Indian, 800 BC. The Indians' art of healing is almost as old as the religion of Hinduism itself. Ayurveda attained a state of reverence and is classified as one of the UPA Vedas, a subsection attached to the Atharva Veda. It also deals with the diseases, injuries, fertility, sanity and health. The main principle behind life of essence of all life form was 5 elements of creation. The Pacha Mahabhuta, namely the earth, water, fire, air and ether, form the basis. Out of these arise the 3 doshas, namely the Vata, Pitta and Kapha. These 3 doshas unfortunately have been crudely translated as air, bile and phlegm. The Ayurveda incorporates all forms of lifestyle is therapy, thus yoga, aroma, mediation, gems, amulets, herbs, diets, astrology, color and surgery etc. are used in a comprehensive manner in treating patients. The important contribution was Charaka Sanghita, Sushruta Sanghita, Vagbata. Separation of pharmacy and medicine. Pharmacy always existed, but not so for pharmacist. A person uses to make diagnosis, also provide medicines, and he hired assistants to collect herbs for him and make preparation under his supervision known as pharmacopoeia, but they are not pharmacists. Arabs were of thought that those who prepare medicines could do as independent profession. The first pharmacy scope was opened in a Baghdad in 770 under Caliph al-Mansur. Pharmacists don't have much that time knowledge of drug. This situation was changed by Al-Mamin, who ruled Baghdad from 813 to 833, and pharmacists started acquiring professional education. The profession of pharmacy was honorable, called as Saidila, Arabic, and Sandalin, Latin. They also pharmacy as pharmaceutical terms, the collection of equipment and methods used in the practice of medicine. for the exchange of ideas as well as of goods between people from India, China and Spain that introduced many new drugs in the field of medicine. Arabs developed number of new drug delivery forms such as syrups, pellets, preserves, confections, marmalades. History of pharmacy profession in India. Pharmacy practice includes traditional practice of compounding and dispensing of medications. History of pharmacy profession in India can be divided into three parts. 1. Ancient history. 2. Pre-independence. 3. Post-independence. Ancient pharmacy profession. In India, the source of drugs was of vegetables, animal and mineral origin. They were prepared empirically by few experienced persons. Knowledge of that medical system was usually kept secret within a family. There were no scientific methods of standardization of drugs. The Ayurveda work on internal medicine, whereas Sushruta Sanhita deals with surgical medicine. Charka and Sushruta were physicians and pharmacists who studied more than 1,000 herbs. In Tamil Nadu during 900 AD means Anno Domini Common Era, discovered organized practice of hospital activity for the treatment of patients with diseases. India, being rich in flora and fauna, wide variety of herb was mainly used to treat disease like jaundice, hemorrhage etc. British traders brought the practice of allopathic system to India in 15th century. The Indian system of medicine declined during the Muslim rule while the Arabic or the Unani system flourished. Pre-independence pharmacy profession. The first chemist shop was opened by Scotch Bathgate at Calcutta in 1811. The pharmacy activities were performed according to London Pharmacopoeia. This situation forced back traditional practice in Indies and compelled to import drugs from European countries. 1840 Goa Medical College was started at Panjim. 1841 Bengal Dispensatory and Pharmacopoeia was published. 1870 The Madras Medical College were first to train the students to gain skills in pharmacy practice. 1878 The Opium Act was implemented that dealt with cultivation of poppy and the manufacture, transport, export, import and sale of opium. 1889 Indian Merchandise Act was implemented to avoid misbranding of goods in general. 1894 Indian Tariff Act passed for levy of customs duty on goods including foods, drinks, drugs, chemicals and medicines import to India or export. 1909 Bengal Excise Act was implemented. Pharmaceutical education. Pharmacy education in India traditionally has been industry and product-oriented. In contrast to the situation in developed nations, graduate pharmacists prefer placements in the pharmaceutical industry. To practice as a pharmacist in India, one needs at least a diploma in pharmacy, which is awarded after only 2 years and 3 months of pharmacy studies. These diploma-trained pharmacists are the mainstay of pharmacy practice. The pharmacy practice curriculum has not received much attention. In India, there have been number of institutions offering pharmacy degrees at various levels and a practice-based Doctor of Pharmacy, Form D, degree program was started in some private institutions in 2008. However, relatively little information has been published describing the current status of complex pharmacy education of India. D-Pharm program. In India, higher secondary study is concluded by a terminal examination, the higher secondary examination, at the end of 12 years. Admission to the first-year D-Pharm program in any government college is based on performance on the higher secondary examination. However, private colleges have their own admission procedures that comply with the education regulations of the PCI. Students generally may choose to undertake the D-Pharm program as their second or third choice, having been unable to obtain a place at the college in another degree program that was their first choice. The D-Pharm curriculum is framed through the education regulations of the Pharmacy Act. The present education regulations framed way back in 1991, ER 91. The curriculum is the same throughout the country. In the 1990 is the efforts of the Pharmacy Council of India for upgrading the minimum qualification for registration from D-Pharm to B-Pharm failed due to lack of consensus. B-Pharm program. Admission to the first-year B-Pharm program is made directly from higher secondary school on the basis of marks obtained in the higher secondary examination or on the basis of a merit list rank prepared based on scores on an entrance examination administered by a state or individual institution. Administering an entrance examination as an admissions requirement is used mainly by public institutions. For example, admission to the first-year B-Pharm of Banaras Hindu University, BHU, is made through the Joint Entrance Examination, G, conducted by Indian Institutions of Technology, IITs, a group of 13 autonomous engineering and technology-oriented public institutes of higher education established and declared as institutes of national importance by the Government of India. M-Pharm program. The criterion for entry to an M-Pharm program is academic performance in the B-Pharm or an entrance test or both. Currently, there is more demand for the M-Pharm program than the availability of places in the country. An important criterion, a high graduate aptitude test for engineering, GATE, score, qualifies a student to receive government scholarship during the period of their M-Pharm study. This criterion is optional for admission to the first-year M-Pharm program. Pharm D program. Admission to a Pharm D degree program is on the basis of successful completion of the higher secondary examination or the D-Pharm program. Passing the higher secondary examination with physics, chemistry, and biology or mathematics entitles a student to enter the Pharm D program. B-Pharm degree holders can join the Pharm D program in the fourth year. Year of inception. Colleges, universities category. Current degrees offered 1937 Department of Pharmaceutical Engineering, Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. Central University B-Pharm, M.Ph.Arm, PhD. 1944 University Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Punjab University, Chandigarh. State University B-Pharm, M.Ph.Arm, PhD. 1947 LM College of Pharmacy, Ahmedabad Private College B-Pharm, M.Ph.Arm, PhD. 1950 Department of Pharmacy, Madras Medical College, Chennai. Medical College B-Pharm, M.Ph.Arm, PhD. 1950 Birla Institute of Science and Technology. Pilani Private University B-Pharm, M.Ph.Arm, PhD. 1951 College of Pharmaceutical Science, Andhra University, Vishakhapatnam. State University B-Pharm, M.Ph.Arm, PhD. 1950 to Department of Pharmaceutical Science, Dr. H. S. Gaur University, Sagor. Central University B-Pharm, M.Ph.Arm, PhD. 1956 Department of Pharmaceutical Science, Nagpur University, Nagpur. State University B-Pharm, M.Ph.Arm, PhD. 1958 Pharmaceutical Department, University Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai University, Mumbai. State University B-Pharm, M.Ph.Arm, PhD, Tech. 1963 Department of Pharmaceutical Technology. Jadhavpur University, Kolkata. State University B-Pharm, M.Ph.Arm, PhD. Pharmacy education in India is regulated by two organizations, the Pharmacy Council of India, PCI, under the Pharmacy Act of 1948, and the All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, which was established under the AICTE Act of 1987. As mentioned previously, the PCI makes regulation regarding the minimum standard of education required for qualification as a pharmacist. It also responsible for registration of persons fulfilling the prescribed eligibility criteria, minimum D-Pharm, and issuing a license permitting them to practice in an Indian state. Registration activity is decentralized and the state pharmacy councils are responsible for registering pharmacists in their respective states. Thus, the PCI regulates the D-Pharm program and the recently introduced Pharm D program. The B-Pharm program needs to be recognized by the PCI for the qualifications to be accepted for registration purpose only. The PCI has no jurisdiction over M-Pharm and other higher-level degree programs. Indian pharmaceutical industry. In 1930, in Calcutta, the first pharmaceutical company called Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceutical Works, which still is today as one of 5 government-owned drug manufacturers, was started. The history of Indian pharmaceutical market in 1970s was almost non-existent. Today, India has gained immense importance and carved a niche for itself in the pharmaceutical domain. In fact, it has emerged as a big mart for the pharmaceutical industry. Formulations, bulk drugs, generics, novel drug delivery systems, new chemical entities, or biotechnology, etc. Indian companies are dominating in the marketplace, which was traditionally manned by MNC. Explanation of flowchart of pharmacy as a career. Pharmacy as a career or pharmacy practice and various professional associations. Pharmacist is classified into 3 categories. 1. Practice setting, 2. Industry. 3. Other setting. Practice setting is further classified in 3 categories. 1. Community. 2. Clinical. 3. Hospital. Third one is industry, which is further classified into different. 1. Production. 2. Quality assurance. 3. Research and development, which is also called as R&D. 4. Quality control. 5. Packaging. 6. Regulation, sales and marketing. R&D is again classified into 2 types. 1. Bulk drug. 2. Formulation. Other setting is also further classified into different categories. 1. Regulatory. 2. Clinical research. 3. Academics. 4. Teaching. 5. Research.